Timing is everything. If it's meant to happen, it will come at the right time for the right reasons. You keep a lot to yourself because it's difficult to find people who understand. Avoiding certain people to protect your emotional health is not a weakness, it's wisdom. Remember that happiness is a way of travel, not a destination. The future depends on what you do today. Never confuse what you are offer for what you are worth. Trust me, if you have at least one person genuinely supporting you, you are blessed. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are there. We try to hide our feelings, but we forget that our eyes speak. It's okay to be sad after making the right decision. Time passes quickly when you are talking to someone whose soul is similar to your own. Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Let your hands be so busy catching blessing that you don't have the capacity to hold on to grudges. As long as you feel pain, you are still alive. As long as you make mistakes, you are still human. And as long as you keep trying, there's still hope. Be strong enough to let go and wise enough to wait for what you deserve. You will never regret being kind. You can't change someone who doesn't see an issue with their actions. There is nothing in this world that can trouble you as much as your own thoughts.